Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device is online and charged. This prevents interruptions during verification. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. You'll trigger the reset flow. You need your Apple ID email and a trusted phone or device nearby so Apple can send verification codes. This is how they confirm it's you. If the verification step immediately failed previously, proceed now so you can collect fresh codes and avoid cached errors. Now request a new verification code. Use a trusted device via Settings or select Send Code to your phone. Codes expire quickly, so act fast. If codes don't arrive, choose Forgot Password and follow the guided verification, which may ask security questions or use account recovery. This is slower but effective. Make sure your device time and date are correct, Wi-Fi is stable, and no SMS spam filters are blocking Apple messages, because those common issues cause verification failures. Enter the verification code, choose a strong new password you haven't used before, and sign back into your devices to re-establish access. This completes the change. If you can't verify at all, start account recovery. It's slower but designed to confirm identity without codes, and it may take several days. If problems persist, reboot devices, switch networks, or use another trusted device, and only then contact Apple support so they can check for account-level issues that blocked verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.